what I am stepping into. Oh my goodness, can't believe I am in Sal Island. Welcome to Sal, Cape Verde, guys. This is like a dream destination. And we are finally here. I got here some hours ago. So I just rested a bit in my hotel and I'm stepping out for the first time to get a feel of this little island. I'm a big city girl, so this is so new to me. But I just thought I should try it. I love big cities. For the first time ever, I'm going to a country and I'm not going to the biggest city in the country. I just flew straight to Sal from Dakar. So we are just in here doing something new. And to be honest, I love it. I feel like this is going to be a vacation for me. I do plan to have like a lot of rest while I'm here and just really get into the holiday spirit. I want to get to a supermarket first. I hope I'll find something big. Well, even if it's not big, at least to get the things I need. So I'm going to be here for a while, so I just want to buy everything I need: water, drinks, snacks, everything I need to stay here for the next few days. I want to get that. Oh my goodness, look at this rush. Ooh, this is going to be busy at night. Oh, look at I Love Sal over there. I'm going to get there. Look at this place, people. So this street is going to be very, very busy at night. I love Sal. Oh my goodness. Let me take a picture and send to my peeps. I love Sal. Oh my goodness, I need to run. I'm not in the mood for a conversation. The street is filled with bars, restaurants, shops for souvenirs. Yeah, I'm good. I will. So let me just get to the shop first so it doesn't get dark. I'll buy what I want to buy, take it back to my room. Then I'll come out again to have dinner. This is really beginning to feel like a vacation. I feel like if anyone is coming to Saudi, they're coming for vacation because what is all of this? Do you know I'm walking on the side when this is a pedestrian street? Let me get back to the center. Okay, I think there is a supermarket here. Is it? Oh no, it's souvenirs. It's like every shop here is for souvenirs. Let's keep walking till I find where I can get a supermarket. Take a look at her hair, so pretty. It's a church. Ladies and gentlemen, this street is filled with... They are preparing for nightlife. Are you sure I'm going to sleep at all in my room? Oh, I love their hair. At this rate, I may end up with locks by the time I'm ready to leave Africa. I may just change my hair to locks while I'm here. It is so pretty.
My sister. How are you today?
Fine, thank
Where are
you.
from?
Nigeria.
Nigeria?
Yes.
You just live here or you live here?
Oh, it's so gorgeous over here. Everywhere is gorgeous anyway, but let's see. This one sports. Let's see. Okay, this is sports and things. Good evening.
Here. Look, here.
Okay.
Here, okay?
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Wow. Sal is such a gorgeous town. This is Santa Maria, by the way. Oh, this is it. We're here. Okay, we're here. Let me buy what I want to buy real quick. My hands are full.
No, eva itunda seres kagam. So over me and babies. Simple specific
Let me see, can I buy these snacks? Chicken. Hola. Is it ready?
Chicken?
Yeah.
€1.
€1. Why did they always say the price is in euros? Oh my goodness, smells so good. So yummy. Yeah. Do you speak English?
Français.
Francais. Where are you from?
Moi, Sénégalais.
Senegal? Oh, I'm coming from Senegal. Just now.
Ah.
Coming from Dakar. Yeah.
Sénégalais.
Okay, so give me 2 because it's so yummy. It'll be so good. I'll just be camping here. That's a good one. Oh my goodness. What's that?
Piquant.
What is it? So what is it in escudo? They usually give prices in euros here. I don't know why. How much in escudo?
Live here.
No. You do? You're from here?
Yeah,
Wow.
from Guinea-Bissau.
Guinea-Bissau. Okay, but you live here. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm from Nigeria.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, obrigado. Something really sweet happened when I wanted to pay for it. So I got my purse to get money, and the money I brought out was Sefa, and he was so excited to see it. He was like, "Oh my goodness," because that's the money they use. He's from Senegal, and that's the currency there. So his face just lit up. So I brought out more because I have a lot of it, because I'm just coming from Senegal. So I brought out more and I was showing him. He was so happy. I was like, "Oh, you miss home?" He said, "Yes." Oh, that's one of the things that we that live abroad, people that live abroad, like, it's not easy. We really do miss home. I also don't live in my country, so I could feel what he was feeling. The streets are so gorgeous. So I'm just gonna get to my room and drop this bag. then I'll go out for dinner. I don't want to be carrying load. I want to be free. Should we go this way? Just to use another way home. Let's go this way. Ooh, very nice taxi. Santa Maria. Tourists and residents are just living in the same place or staying in the same place. There are some touristy places you go to where tourists are at one end, residents are at the other end. Verde. On second thought, I think I should just, it's so windy. I think I should just have dinner before I go back to the room. Because I already feel tired. It's been a long day. I traveled today. If you're just seeing this video for the first time, seeing me for the first time, my name is Jackie and I'm a traveler, a world traveler. So I just came in from Senegal today. So I'm kind of tired. I think I need rest. So let me just have dinner, then go back to my room. Then tomorrow we can do the whole nightlife scene. I may find where to have dinner here. Let's go. Anywhere I see many customers, I'll just stop there and have a quick meal.